They got me out here foraging again today for passion fruit. First they're climbing trees for muscadine grapes, and now they want passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
And there's one at the top too. If you want to, you can just...
I got it.
Okay. How you gonna grab it?
I'm
there's
gonna
two.
pull it out and it's gonna fly to your.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, good job.
There is like.
And then in here.
Make sure you look up, Makai.
It's cool in here.
There's some straight ahead. See those, Makai?
Yeah, I do.
See what they feel like. They may not be ready yet.
Pack it on when going in the woods.
This is why you see us with jackets and long sleeves on out on the land, especially when we're foraging. Look at all these. He's covered in them. Could you imagine getting these into your skin? You got enough?
Yeah.
You got a lot?
Yeah.
A lot. This one.
They look really juicy.
That's Mia's.
Whose is that one?
Mine.
This is
That's
Mia's.
yours?
This is Mia's.
So then you just get one half, and then you can eat it.
Okay.
Oh, no, here. Use this on someone who got more. You can go in a little deeper if you want. You got one coming.
There you go.
Mmm.
Where's yours,
Delicious.
Makai?
Right here.
Take the stem off.
It's very delicious.
Which part you gonna eat?
This one.
That showpiece. That showpiece.
Mmm.
I
You gotta
get.
give it time to.
Which one are you gonna eat?
This one.
Okay, cut yours open.
So delicious.
That's fine. I'm gonna eat it anyway.
You gotta save your dad a juicy one. And
Mm.
these are really, really good for you. It's called passion fruit. They have what vitamins, kids?
A and
C.
A and C. They have antioxidants that help fight cancer. The seed inside, that black thing you see in there, that's a seed. That's the part that have a lot of fiber. You got yours? You got a big spoonful. It smells like pineapple.
It does. It does.
sweet.
So
You're almost done with yours, Makai.
This is so good.
That's
You
sweet.
like it, Mia?
Good.
I'm gonna taste it too.
Sweet and it's a little sour.
Sweet and sour. You think your dad will like it?
You're gonna
Yeah.
love it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's see which one. This one I like, the way this one feels. Oh, this one is open. But is it right? I don't know. This is the one, I thought you were gonna eat this one. So this one is already like open. See how it's still in
See,
the...
that's what I'm talking about. That's what she
peel?
had. She had that little net of it.
It's super juicy in there. I want this one. You can like remove it. It's like an orange, you know, when you peel an orange. Oh, that's so cool. The rest of them wouldn't like this. So, all right. Look at how it's juicy. Look at that. That is so cool. Where's this, my spoon?
Yep. Oh, you showcase me. This tastes like a pineapple. It looks like it's going to be really juicy.
Ooh, this is so good. Yeah, for real. This is delicious.
So you can buy them in stores.
You know what? I'm just gonna put this whole thing in my mouth.
I'm finished.
Yep. Cause it's like,
Yeah, it got some stews in it.
We have so many out there. Some that are not yet right. Some that are right.
It's really good.
That's so good.
Gonna get a nice size.
Passion fruit. Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna be it for passion fruit. It's sweet, it's tangy, it has like a pineapple lemony taste. And without even slicing it, y'all, your room is gonna smell just like this fruit. When I walk into the room, I smell pineapple. It has a very pleasant smell. And get over the sight of the fruit. It may look weird, but the taste is amazing. So we've eaten almost all of what we have here. We have a little bit left, but it's very healthy for you. It has vitamin A, vitamin C. It has antioxidants that help fight cancer, and the seed that's in the fruit has a lot of fiber in it. So overall, this fruit is very healthy. Try it. You will not regret it. So that's all I have. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.